I'm Brian Moker. I am the teacher of the High Skills Major program at Sydenham High School in manufacturing, and I was a machinist before becoming a teacher. So the program focuses on students being ready for industry to move into a shop and start working. We run weld certifications through the school. We're a certified CWB test facility. We also offer practical applications on many different pieces of equipment, computer operated stuff, different conventional machines that we also teach basic skills on. Part of the program includes also certifications that they're fairly endless. It runs alongside a regular high school day, and everybody can sort of do the regular school class programming. It gives them a step above what they would get in a normal classroom setting. The skills are transferable. Anybody that wants to be in the trades in general, it's going to be beneficial.